Today we are diving into the action camera world, where a significant shift is imminent. The highly awaited DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is set to redefine the landscape, stirring excitement among tech enthusiasts and industry insiders alike. Rumored to launch this August, the Osmo Action 5 Pro promises to challenge GoPro's reign in the action camera industry, potentially reshaping the way we capture our most thrilling adventures. This comprehensive preview will explore all the available information about the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, analyzing its projected features, performance capabilities, and how it might influence the competitive action camera market. A defining aspect of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is its anticipated upgraded sensor, which is expected to take video quality to unprecedented heights. This new model is rumored to support stunning 5K video recording at a fluid 60 frames per second, marking a significant leap over its predecessor. Such a substantial enhancement in sensor technology will not only amplify image clarity and detail, but also enhance the camera's adaptability in various lighting scenarios. This feature is set to make the Osmo Action 5 Pro a formidable player in the action camera segment, offering reduced noise levels and improved dynamic range for richer visual experiences. The increased sensor size hints at a substantial improvement in video quality, making it a compelling option for both professional videographers and adventure enthusiasts who demand superior visual content. The potential to capture 5K footage with smooth frame rates positions the Osmo Action 5 Pro as a powerful alternative to GoPro's high-end models, such as the Hero 12 Black. While the exact release date for the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro remains under wraps, speculation suggests a launch in August. The camera is expected to be positioned in a premium category, which may lead to a higher price point than earlier models. This pricing strategy reflects DJI's ambition to compete directly with GoPro's flagship offerings, aiming to provide a more sophisticated and feature-rich option for action camera users. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is gearing up to be a strong contender in the action camera market, challenging GoPro's dominance with its impressive specifications and innovative features. With a larger sensor, superior low-light performance, advanced image stabilization, and a robust design, this camera is poised to capture high-quality footage across various environments and conditions. As anticipation builds and the launch date approaches, all eyes will be on DJI to see if the Osmo Action 5 Pro can live up to expectations and provide a compelling alternative to GoPro's offerings. Whether it will redefine the action camera market or simply offer a new choice for consumers remains to be seen. Still, one thing is certain. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is set to bring a fresh perspective to how we capture our most exhilarating moments.